Students, today we will learn how to do some sort, filter and search data in Access, and those actually we learned all these before in Excel. The same features are available in MS Access also. So let's start it. For this, we'll open the MS Access. I have taken one database, ready-made database. Here, one table I have created. In this table, I have taken 3 fields: roll number, student name, and total marks. So, total marks obtained in any particular exam, let's say. So, here's the table. First, we'll do some calculations. How to do some calculations. For the calculations, there is a option called totals, which is available in the records. In the home tab, records group, there is the option totals. With the help of totals, we can do some calculations. So if you click on the totals option, you see one row at the bottom of the table is displayed. And in this row, you have to go to that particular field, bottom of that field, wherever you want to do the calculations. So it is the field where we can do calculations, total field I have. So that's why I have clicked here. I'll click here. You see, after clicking, we'll get one arrow, down arrow. In the down arrow, if you click, you'll get many options like sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, variance. All this can be calculated. So let's say I want to get the average mark among all this total. So click on average. See, average has come out like this, calculated automatically for this total. You can see maximum. If you want to see 450 is the maximum marks, minimum marks 345, like that. This type of calculation you can do with the help of this totals feature in MS Access. So once, if you want to remove it, click it again, it will get removed. Next, we will learn another feature that is called sorting data. So we can sort data after creating the table. If you want to sort data, so there we'll get 2 options: ascending and descending order, or we'll get like sort largest to smallest, or sort smallest to largest, like that also we may get. So whatever you want to sort, you go to that particular field name. One arrow will get to the right of the field name. Let's say student name. You want to arrow, you want to sort, you'll get 2 options: sort A to Z, sort Z to A. This will get sort A to Z or sort Z to A. A to Z is ascending, Z to A is descending order. So let's say A to Z. You see what happened? Ascending order. It is sorted in ascending order. A, B, C, like that in ascending order. All the names are sorted now. So if you want to remove it, you go to this option under sort and filter group, clears all sorts. Click on this, it will get cleared. Next, again you can sort the numbers. Go this, go, and now let's say largest to smallest. So in case of numbers, it has come like sort smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and in case of text, it has come like A to Z, Z to A. See, in case of total, let's say from largest to smallest, click here. The numbers from largest to smallest are displayed, are sorted automatically. So if you want to remove it, click here, clear all sorts, it will get removed. This way you can sort data. Next, we'll learn filtering. If you want to filter data, that means if you want to, based on some conditions, if you want to see some particular data separately, then we have to use filter option. For let's say here we'll get 2 different options, 2 different filtering feature. One is simple, another is advanced filtering. So simple filter, in simple filter, conditions are direct conditions, like display the records of roll number 5, let's say. Only the roll number 5 record you are actually display, let's say. For this, here the condition is what? Records of roll number 5. That is the condition. So we'll have to go to the roll number field. Then directly here, roll number 5 is here. You see, now select all, you click and check all the check mark, then roll number 5. Check, then okay. Only roll number 5 records are displayed. Okay. Then say if you want to remove it, toggle filter option, click, it will get removed. Next, display the records of Sanchita. Sanchita's record display. So you have to go to Sanchita's student name. You are actually display records of Sanchita. The Sanchita, you'll get in student name field. So we'll go to the field and click on this arrow and uncheck all. Then go to Sanchita. Sanchita, check it. Then okay. You see only Sanchita records are displayed. So it is these are example of simple filtering. Next, you have to remove it. Next, we'll do advanced filtering. In case advanced filtering are like, the conditions are like, display the records of those students whose marks are greater than 400, let's say. Marks are greater than 400. So whose marks are greater than 400. For this, you have to go to this. This is the condition. So we'll go to the total. Click here. Here we'll go here. Number filter option. We'll go number filters. Here we'll get this conditions: equals, does not equal, less than, greater than, between. So which will shoot? Greater than, greater than, greater than. Total is greater than or equal to. The condition is like this: total is greater than or equal to 400. Okay. You see, all the numbers which are greater than or equal to 400 are displayed. Okay. Next, toggle filter to remove it. Next, I'll give you one condition: display the records of those students whose names start with S. Only to display those students' name, those records of those students whose name starts with S. The host name starts with S. So condition is here. So we'll go to student name, then text filters, then starts with, that means begins with S. S. Now see, okay, do. Only there are two students whose name starts with A, as Sapna and Sanchita. Only two students' names records are displayed. Okay. So these are some example of advanced filtering condition. So this way you can do filter. Next, one more feature is available, that is search. So if you want to search data, search for data quickly, then we can use search box, which is available at the bottom of the access screen. Here it is a search box. If you want to search for any data quickly, you can search. You click here. Let's say I want to search Rohit data. Rohit. If you click on Rohit, then if you type here in the search box Rohit, then the Rohit name will get automatically highlighted in the table. So it will be highlighted, and this way we can get that highlighted data. It will be distinct. So with the help of search, you can search any number, any date, phrase, word, whatever you want to search directly with the help of search field. We can search box, which is available at the bottom of the axis. We can find out in the table. So these are all about access. We have learned today how to do some calculations, how to do sort, how to do filter, and how to search data in access table. Thank you.